Where in Vietnam does winter occur? And when is it? Wait, winter in Vietnam? Yep, but only up north. From late November to March, northern Vietnam rides the northeast monsoon. Gray skies, wind chill, and a real drop in temperatures. Hanoi, Ninh, Binh, and Ha Giang sit around 12 to 18 degrees Celsius, with cold snaps dipping under 10 degrees Celsius. The peak chill is usually December to February. Go higher, Sapa, Ha Giang, Fansipan, and you're looking at single-digit temps, plus occasional frost and rare flurries right on the highest peaks. Central Vietnam doesn't do a true winter. Hue and Da Nang cool to roughly 18 to 24 degrees Celsius and hit their wettest months October to December, so rain can make it feel cooler but not cold. Southern Vietnam, Saigon, Mekong, stays tropical year-round, about 25 to 35 degrees Celsius with a dry season from December to April. Packing rule: north in winter equals layers, a windproof jacket, and socks. Central equals light rain gear and quick dry clothes. South equals t-shirts, sunscreen, and a hat. Know your route and you'll pack like a pro.